Hey guys, CC here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, thanks for supporting, thanks for being a part of the team, and welcome back. So it's going to be another episode of In the Kitchen with CC, and on the menu today we have some Jamaican tamarind balls. Yeah, I'm so excited. This is bringing back so much childhood memories, like raiding the people in tamarind tree and just eating the tamarind just out the shell, just like that, picking up off the floor if it fell off the tree, just eating tamarind like you're walking to school, on your way back home from school, eating tamarind. Okay, if you guys know, you know. Who don't love tamarind? And then I recently found out that it has so much vitamin, it's good for your immune system and stuff like that, and it's pretty easy to make. So let's stop chit-chatting and make some tamarind balls. I'm excited to show you guys. Let me show you the box. This is the package that it comes in here. This is product of Thailand. So I had to force myself not to eat the entire box, and I'm the only one eating this, okay? It's just me. And it's almost done. So I was saving it because I know I need to do this video. So this is how the tamarind looks. Okay? And then once you open the shell, it's a hard shell. Once you open it, then it looks like this. Okay, and you can eat it just like this. You're gonna remove the stem, right? And you're eating the nectar off the tamarind, and then inside the nectar are seeds. So you're just gonna eat everything except the seeds, right? So let's get started. As I say, it's pretty easy to make, so let's get started. We have our tamarind here, and we have our sugar, and we have some hot sauce. That's what we're gonna use to make our tamarind balls. Disclaimer, you should have brown sugar. Brown sugar, it's best to do it with brown sugar, and you would need the white sugar for the finishing at the end. But I don't have any brown sugar, so I'm just gonna use white for everything. I didn't want to go out and purchase just for the video. So we're gonna get these tamarind out of the shells. And remove the stem as well. Go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so we separated the tamarind from the shell, so we can get rid of this. Now we're working with the tamarind, and we're going to add our sugar. We're going to also add half teaspoon of the pepper sauce. If you don't want the pepper sauce, you could go ahead and use some rum. You could use white rum. That's what they normally use as well in Jamaica. Or you could just add salt, or you could just add water. So if you're making this with the kids, it's fun to make with the kids because it's fun to eat. So you could definitely make this with the kids. Don't add any sugar, don't add any sauce, and don't add any rum, of course. So in that event, you could just add some salt. So half teaspoon of the pepper. I don't want too much because yeah, this is not a lot of tamarind. So we have our pepper. Then we're just going to pour our our sugar on top. I'm just eyeballing the sugar. And then you're going to go in with your hands and like you're kneading. Okay, so you're just gonna knead the tamarind into the sugar, and during this process you should lose a lot of the seed. Most of the seeds should come out, and you could discard of it. So the tamarind nectar is just gonna combine everything together. Go ahead and remove the ones that's obvious, the ones that you could feel. Or if you want to sit there and pick them out, you could also do that. But some of the seed would be left behind, you know? That's just part of eating the tamarind balls. Okay, we got most of the seeds out. I'm gonna add some more sugar. Okay, once you have a consistency that you could work with, then we're going to add some sugar to a flat surface. Because we're going to make our tamarind balls in the size that you like, and we're just gonna roll them into the sugar. And there you have it. It's our first tamarind ball. So I'm just going to continue making my balls. And we're done. There you have it, our tamarind balls. They're perfect. Remember, you can make them any size that you like, and don't be afraid to add the pepper if you want to put the pepper in, because I'm tasting it now and it could use a whole teaspoon of pepper sauce instead of the half teaspoon. So now I know for next time, but they're perfect. Love it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you give this a try, and you could tag us on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.